Hello YouTube world, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop hot content like this, and stay tuned for the next video.
It's my
Hello guys, Reginald Stinson here. I'm going to be very quick on this video. I just want to show you some proof here. Obviously, again, your results will vary. I got to give that disclaimer. Your results will vary. This is not to guarantee any income for you, but this is basically to show you an example of some of the results that our members are having and what's possible if you put in work. Now, a few days ago, I actually asked the question that some people don't believe that our members earn residual income. And I had people to type me and post a screenshot if they're earning residual income. Now, obviously, everybody didn't do it. But if you look here, I'm going to scroll down. All right. You see that Rochelle is earning residual income. Akil is earning residual income with our program. And this is, again, we have not added our big ticket products in yet. I just want to reiterate that to you guys because I know sometimes you're used to the big ticket 500 is 200 that. We haven't done that yet because again, we don't want to just put together any type of product and throw it out there to the marketplace, right? So with these products that we have, these are actually things that make sense. And we have another product that will go live this week as well. But you look, me got two $20 residual sign-ups just today. Excuse me. And again, our members are paid instantly. This is a member-to-member transaction company. We don't handle any transactions whatsoever on your behalf. So you sign up today, you set up your account today. Pretty much, if somebody joins you today, guess what? You get paid today. Okay, that money's going directly to you. Me got one yesterday. Here's another one, $20 residual. Here's more members, more income coming in for them. And me, you see, she earned over $300 with our program. Today, she's over $1,700. And again, these are all low ticket offers right now. Okay. And again, it's only going to get better. All right. So now what I want to do, I'm actually going to block out the screen so you can't see some personal information, but I'm gonna log in and show you some stuff on the back end, okay? Now, if you look here, you see that we paid out over $93,000 with our program in a little over a month, okay? About 5 weeks since we've been doing this. And again, mainly the $18 portion, some $20 sales here and there. But again, we haven't integrated all of our product offers yet. So it's only going to get better and bigger as time go on. Now I'm going to go over to user earnings. I'm actually going to show you some stats. Now, obviously, this is my account here. So out of 90-something thousand dollars, I only made 24 myself as an affiliate promoting. Now, scrolling down, you see what the other affiliates have earned, okay? You got 46 here, 32 here, 31, 22, 1900, 17, etc. And I can go down and you see people are making money. Okay, we got pages of affiliates that are getting commissions. Now, some are bigger than others, but the point is people are getting commissions. And what I like about this is that even the people that couldn't traditionally recruit, they're actually recruiting people over here now. And I know sometimes there's a message that, you can make money without recruiting and it sounds good. I even said that myself, but the reality is that you create more leverage by recruiting in any business. Okay, so there's pros and cons to every situation. I like passive programs where you don't have to recruit or what have you, but I love recruiting as well. Number one, because I figured out how to do it. I'm great at it. And number two is that it's going to give you more leverage. I'm all about working smarter and not harder. So if I can create leverage through recruiting, then obviously I'm going to do it because that's going to pay you a lot more money with less effort. Okay. And with this program here, it's easy to recruit because our
With